Today's video, we're going to learn how to convert between metric and non-metric units. We're going to solve several problems, so stay till the end. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. Now, when we talk about metric and non-metric units, so what is the metric system? If you want more detailed information about converting within the metric system, check out my video on metric unit conversions. But pretty much I'm just going to do a summary here. So the metrics for the metric system, you need the base units. So meter is the base unit for length, gram is the base unit for weight, and liter is the base unit for volume. Now, when converting between metric and non-metric units, there are several ones, and I'm mentioning here only the ones that I'm going to solve later in this video, but converting from kilogram to pounds and pounds to kilogram, converting between teaspoon and ml, tablespoon to ml, and so forth, ml to tablespoon, ounce to ml, ml to ounce, and pint to ml, and as well as ml to pint. So for all of those cases, in order to solve those conversions, you need to know the conversion factor. So we'll talk about conversion factor later in the video when we solve the specific problems. Let's look at the first problem. Convert 132 pounds to kilogram. So this is a conversion from pound to kilogram. We need to first know the conversion factor. So the conversion factor here is 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So now we're converting 132 pounds to kilogram. So we can set it up using dimensional analysis. There's several ways of doing this. But with dimensional analysis, so we'll have 1 kilogram over 2.2 pounds times 132 pounds. So the pounds cancel out. So we have 132 divided by 2.2, and that's 60 kilogram. Let's look at the next problem. Convert 2 teaspoons to milliliters. So the conversion factor here, and you need to know these conversion factors. So the conversion factor here is 1 teaspoon equals 5 ml. So once you know that conversion factor, then you can easily set it up. You have 5 ml over 1 teaspoon times 2 teaspoons. So teaspoons cancel out. Then you have 5 times 2, and that's 10 ml. So 2 teaspoons is 10 ml. Next problem. Convert 4 tablespoons to milliliters. What is the conversion factor here? 1 tablespoon is 15 ml. So we can set up our dimensional analysis. So we'll set up as 15 ml over 1 tablespoon times 4 tablespoons. So the tablespoon cancel out. So we have 15 times 4, and that's 60 ml. So 4 tablespoons equals 60 ml. Let's look at problem number 4. Convert 3 ounces to milliliters. Okay, again here, the first thing we need to do is we need to know the conversion factor. The conversion factor between ounce and ml. So 1 ounce is roughly equals 30 mLs. So we can set up a dimensional analysis, and for dimensional analysis, you want to set it up in such a way that the unwanted units cancel out, and all you're left with is the desired unit. So then here you'll have 3 ml, 30 ml on top, so 30 ml over 1 ounce times 3 ounces. So ounce cancel out, then you have 30 times 3, so that's 90 ml. So 3 ounces is 90 ml. Let's look at the last problem. Convert 2 pints to milliliters. So again here, the first step, so as we can see here, with all these problems, all these conversions, the first step is to figure out and know the conversion factor. So the conversion factor between pints and ml is that 1 pint equals 473 ml. So now, what are we going to do? We'll set up in a way that the unwanted units cancel out. So what we're looking for is ml. So that means we're going to start with ml on top. So we'll have 473 ml over 1 pint times 2 pints. So we have 473 times 2, and that's 946 mLs. So 2 pints is 946 mL. If you want to master unit conversions, my ultimate guide to unit conversions in dosage calculation workbook is available now. You can check it out, link in the description. In this workbook, I cover metric system conversion, so conversion within the metric system. So that means between milligram to gram, kilogram, also between ml and liters. And I also cover conversion between metric and non-metric systems, so similar to what we've done in this video, but with more example and more explanations. And then in the last section, I cover concentration conversion. So that's converting between percent to milligram per ml, gram per ml to milligram per ml. And then you have a series of problems for practice and with an answer key. So if you're interested, you think that will be helpful, check it out, link in the description. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.